So, hi everybody. This is just a little, very quick sort of freeze frame of the phases I did for this Demon Girl. I had really zero idea where I was going. I just wanted something sexy and dangerous, so I did a lot of shapes, like quick shapes, using this grunty brush that I love so much. And I was not happy with a lot of them, so kept on erasing and redrawing and moving. And okay, I need a sexy shape, but I need her to be active as well. Perhaps I could put the hands up or the hands down. Then I thought, well, okay, let's move forward, try and turn her into a demon. So you could see the arms moved up and down. I shifted her body this way, that way. This is a very messy process, but I kind of tend to go because I don't use photos as reference, so I never kind of go with the copying something. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's just not my way. I like to kind of go with the right side of the brain and just invent something from memory. And so until I'm really happy, I'm not going to polish it, you know. So I tried, and I also like to play the third dimension. So what's coming towards us, what's going away, yeah, and the general shape, the silhouettes, all these things that I learned in the film industry that are important. So dynamic, sexy movements, silhouettes, and all the basic core ideas of all these kind of things. And you can see progressively I'm getting happier and happier. So I was happy with the leg position, then the arms. I thought, yeah, one arm towards us, one arm flipping back, and then a part of the sort of cape wings towards us, and the left hand side, sort of flat on. So it's really dynamic in the end. So and then play with colors because the colors are the things that trigger your imagination in the end. So, but I kept it grunty because that's what I like and sort of suggestive. So, okay, well, I hope you enjoy this. I'm sorry I didn't record it properly, but this is just freeze frame and the messy process.